Today I'm going to teach you how to make a London fog. Step 1 is to boil your water. When your water is finished boiling, fill your cup halfway with the tea bag already in it. While waiting for that to steep, fill a cup about halfway full with some milk of your choice. Any milk works, almond milk, oat milk, I prefer 2%. Put that cup in the microwave for about 30 seconds. When it's finally hot, use your Aero latte and froth the milk for about 1 minute. This is the most important part, so you really want to make sure it gets nice and thick and creamy. When that's finished, simply pour over into your cup of Earl Grey tea. Top it off with some dried lavender. And voila, enjoy.